Let's see how to build an AI chatbot for your business powered by your own voice, and also it has the capability to generate text responses as well. So for example, if a particular customer sends you a message on Instagram, let's say they are actually sending a voice note on Instagram, then you can simply respond to those customers in your own voice using the AI. Suppose if they simply sent a text message or on Instagram, then you can actually for those customers you can actually respond with just a text over there. So let's see how to build an AI chatbot powered by ElevenLabs over here. So first of all, you have to actually create your own voice clone or replica using ElevenLabs. So here I'm in the ElevenLabs over here. For example, if you go to the voices over here and choose personal, and here you have the option to add your own voice right here. So you can choose professional cloning and upload some of your own voice recordings to create your own voice. So here we have created a voice, my own voice right here. So now we can simply use this particular voice in our AI chatbot builder platform to send any sort of voice responses back to the customer when they send a voice note as well. So let's see how to build this from scratch. So let's go to the flow section over here. And in the flow section, let me create a new flow and name this one as ElevenLabs AI bot and click continue. So here I'm in this particular flow builder. So here I'm in this flow, ElevenLabs AI bot. So here we have to actually create a condition as the starting step, because we want to track whether a particular customer is actually sending you a text message or a voice note. So choose this condition as the starting step. So we can remove this one for now. And here you can choose a condition over here and choose last input type. So if the last input is actually voice or if it is audio, so let's choose voice, and also let's choose audio as well. So you have to choose a last user input type is audio. All right. So if any of the following conditions, if it is audio, we have to do simple actions over here, and if it is a text, then we want to do some other actions as well. So here last user input type is text. All right, we have this condition to track whether a particular customer is sending you a voice or a text. So we have to make sure to create an OpenAI action over here to handle any sort of responses from the customer. So here actions, choose OpenAI over here. So scroll up, so choose OpenAI over here, and here we want to generate you can choose the model right here. Let's choose GPT-4o mini, and here for the whatever the last input from the customer, we want to add a business information right here to generate a response. So here for that let's take an example of a landscaping company right here. So let me simply copy all the information about this particular landscaping company and paste it right here. So paste it. All right, and here let me remove this one, we don't need this one, and let me say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company, respond to customers question in just 1 to 2 sentences. All right, and here we have this chatbot knowledge base, and whenever a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will be saved in the last user input, and the response generated from the AI, we have to save this in some fields. So let's save this. You can actually create your own field. So let's simply choose AI output, simple as that. So it will be generated in the AI output over here. So here, if a particular customer sends you a text message or text over there, we can simply send this to the OpenAI and generate a response right here, and simply send the AI output back to the customer. So here we can send a message, choose right here and choose AA output. Choose AA output, simple as that. But if it is a voice or audio, we want to respond back to the customer in the voice or audio of our own voice. So in this case, we want to do some actions over here. So we have to add an action over here, and we also need to duplicate this one because we want to generate the response in the text format first, even if they send a voice note right here. And this is the text we generated right here, AI output. So instead of sending that text right here, we want to connect this particular text with the action of ElevenLabs to convert that text into the voice. Simple as that. So here the input will be AI output. So we want to transform that AI output text response into the voice using my own voice, and here you can save the response to the custom field. So here you can choose create a new one, or you can choose your own as well. So here let me actually create a new one. So let me say voice one. So let me save this in the voice one. All right, and now we want to send that to the customer in the voice format. So choose file, audio, insert link, and we have to choose voice one right here. Simple as that, and click publish. So now we have created a simple chatbot flow right here to handle the text messages or text responses sent by the customer and the voice notes as well. So now we want to make this particular flow as the default reply flow. ElevenLabs AI bot. So let me head over to settings over here, and in settings you have to choose the general and choose ElevenLabs AI bot and click save. Simple as that. So now we can quickly test how this actually works. So let me share my Instagram over here. So this can actually works on all these connected channels. So let me first test on the Instagram right here. So here I'm in Instagram. Let's test how this actually works. So here let me send a message in text format. Let me send hi, and it should actually generate a response back to us in the text format, and it says hello, how can I assist you today? So as you see, this is business information we have provided is about a landscaping company, so we can actually ask any sort of questions right here. So let me ask about their address. So here this is the address. So here let me share my phone screen over here, and this time I want to ask the address in the voice note and see what happens. Hey, what is your address? So let me send this voice note, what is your address, and we should actually receive a response back in the voice note right here in my own voice as well. So let me show how this actually works as well. As you see, we just received the voice note over here. So let me go to the inbox over here. So this is the omnichannel inbox where you can track all the conversations, and let me play this voice note we just received right here. Our address is 123 Green Avenue, Garden City, New York 11530. So as you see, we received the voice note in my own voice right here. So we can actually ask any other questions and it simply respond to us right here. So let me ask a question right here. So let me share my phone screen again, and let me send a voice note. Can you please explain about your services and why should I work with your company? So here I just sent a voice note right here. Let's see what sort of response we actually received right here. Alright, we just received the voice note over here. So let me play this voice note and see what happens over here. We offer a wide range of services including landscape design and installation, lawn care, irrigation systems, hardscaping, and seasonal cleanups, all tailored to your specific needs. You should choose Greenscape Landscaping for our commitment to quality, experienced professionals, and a personalized approach that transforms your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional environment. So as you see, it simply works right here. And another thing is that you can even delay these responses as well by simply adding a wait delay block as well. So here plus icon and choose the wait delay right here. And here, let's say if you want to delay these voice notes by like 3 minutes. So that means if you connect this wait delay block, so that means if you connect this particular wait delay block right here, all the voice responses will be delayed by 3 minutes. And for the text response, if you want to delay like, let's choose, let me simply duplicate this one, and if you want to delay only like few seconds, so let's say 30 seconds. So that means if a particular customer sends your voice note, it will be delayed with 3 minutes. If they send a text message, it will delay like 30 seconds. So likewise, you can actually customize this according to your needs. And that's how you actually create an AI chatbot powered by your own voice and text responses. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.